Hi everyone! I know Halloween is well over by now, but I found this in my archive and I thought it'd be funny to watch me transform myself into Jason from Friday the 13th. Or I guess since it's the holidays, we can go with Santa. I'm kidding, it's just a face mask. Nonetheless, it's pretty interesting to watch. I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some masks from Double Dare. This is a two-step kit. The first step is a Detox Bubbling mask and the second one is a Microfiber Mask. I'm going to be applying the first one with a flat foundation brush. I'm really excited, so let's just get started. I'm going to take some scissors and open this up. And I'm going to be applying this with... Oh, so it appears to be that both are sheet mask. For some odd reason, I thought that they would be like that. The step one would be kind of like a cream I apply to my face, but it's actually a sheet mask. So that's pretty interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and I put it on my face. Here we go. It smells really good. This is insanely saturated. It's almost like soap, like I'm getting all over my hands. Does anybody look pretty wearing these things? Because they're just gonna rub it all over my hair too, you know? It's gonna look crazy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I mean the bubbles were already there. They're just getting everywhere because they're starting to expand. So there's that. So it says to leave this on for 1 to 3 minutes. It is currently... Can we just take a second to look at the date when this was recorded? Oh my god. 1:50 in the afternoon. It's not as ticklish as I thought it would be, so that's kind of a disappointment, but I don't know. I feel like it's bubbling pretty well. Okay, so time is officially up. I feel like it just keeps on bubbling and bubbling and bubbling, and it's getting like crazy. Like I can feel like it's gonna start falling off from here. I don't feel anything crazy going on. I don't feel anything. It says here to remove mask by gently wiping off any excess makeup or residue. Rinse with water and pat dry. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to rinse this off and I will be right back. Okay, so I was at the sink and I wanted to show you guys what happens when you rub it in. When I started rubbing it in, it's turning into like a cleanser type. So that's really interesting. So, yeah. Very interesting. Now I'm gonna wash this off for reals and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Just finished washing my face. It washed off just like a normal cleanser would. Pretty self-explanatory. Step 2 is a microfiber mask. It says here that this microfiber mask will feed the skin with various nutrients, hydrolyzed collagen, and plant-based stem cells to give your skin a healthier, younger looking glow. So it says too, after step 1, apply a microfiber mask. Literally, that is step 1. Number 1, after step 1, apply microfiber mask. It says wait 15 to 20 minutes to allow skin to absorb nutrients, hydrolyzed collagen, and plant-based stem cells. So I'm going to go ahead and open this with some scissors and apply this. So this one is very watery in consistency. I feel like this one has more of a serum feel. So let's try this out. This one definitely smells more on the serum aspect. It is 2:02 in the afternoon now. I'm going to leave this on for 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 minutes and we'll check back. Alright, so it's 2:17. It's been 15 minutes, and to be honest, I don't think another 5 minutes is going to be much of a difference. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the mask. Woo! Okay, so it says here that after you remove the mask, to gently massage excess serum into your skin. So it's definitely very, very, very watery. There's a ton of product on there. I have so much left on my skin, so I'm gonna just bring it down to my neck. So although I don't see much of a difference, I feel like masks are something that are things that do change or make change over time. I do like this serum. It feels good and it's sinking into my skin pretty quickly. So that's what that looks like now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this mask. Would you try it? Have you tried it? And if you have, what are your thoughts on it? Did you really feel any difference? Did the bubbling thing actually tickle you? Because I didn't feel any tickling and a lot of people were, I don't know, maybe overreacting, or was it just me? Anyways, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah!